Your doors do more than open and close. They provide security, protect against the elements, and make a strong first impression on anyone who visits your home. In Middleton, where seasonal weather shifts between hot summers and chilly winters, your doors take a lot of wear and tear. Over time, even the best-built doors lose their effectiveness. Recognizing the top signs your Middleton home needs door replacement can save you money, improve comfort, and boost curb appeal. Drafts and energy loss. If you feel air leaking around your doors, that's a clear sign they're no longer sealing properly. Higher energy bills. Drafts force your HVAC system to work harder to keep indoor temperatures stable. Hot and cold spots. Rooms near drafty doors may feel uncomfortable compared to the rest of the house. Worn weather stripping or gaps in the frame. These are common culprits that only worsen with time. Energy-efficient replacement doors create a tight seal that reduces air loss and helps you save on utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing. Doors should open and close smoothly. If yours sticks, drags, or doesn't latch properly, it's a warning sign. Warping from weather. Seasonal changes in Middleton can cause wood doors to expand and contract. Shifting frames. Homes naturally settle over time, which may lead to misaligned doors. Damaged hardware. Broken hinges, locks, or handles make doors harder to use and less secure. A replacement door restores ease of use and ensures your home remains safe and functional. Visible damage or wear. Sometimes the problem is easy to spot. Cracks, dents, or scratches weaken the structure and lower curb appeal. Rotting wood or rusting metal indicates deeper damage that can compromise security. Peeling paint or faded finishes make your home look older and less cared for. New doors instantly refresh your home's look while giving you peace of mind that the structure is strong and reliable. Moisture or light leaks. If you see light around the edges of a closed door or notice water getting in during storms, it's time to take action. Moisture intrusion can lead to mold, warped floors, or damage to nearby walls. Light gaps, a clear indicator of poor sealing or frame issues. Pest entry points. Small openings make it easier for insects or rodents to get inside. Replacement doors eliminate these vulnerabilities with modern weatherproofing and precision installation. Noise infiltration. A door that fails to block noise may be thinner than modern options or poorly sealed. If you can hear traffic, neighbors, or outdoor activity too clearly, your door isn't doing its job. Insulated replacement doors with solid cores or multi-layer construction reduce noise significantly. This makes your home quieter and more relaxing, something every Middleton family can appreciate. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks outdated or doesn't match your home's style, replacement can make a big difference. Modern designs include decorative glass inserts, bold colors, and custom finishes. An updated door boosts curb appeal and increases resale value if you plan to sell. A stylish, modern door helps your Middleton home stand out while maintaining its welcoming character. Compromised security. A door that feels flimsy or outdated may not provide the security your family deserves. Weak frames or old locks can be easy to break. Modern replacement doors come with reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and durable materials designed to resist forced entry. Upgrading ensures that your home remains a safe haven. Final thoughts. If your Middleton home's doors are drafty, damaged, outdated, or difficult to use, it's time to consider replacement. New doors improve energy efficiency, enhance security, reduce noise, and refresh your home's curb appeal. By investing in professional door replacement, you're not just improving how your home looks, you're making it more comfortable, secure, and valuable. For Middleton homeowners, replacing worn-out doors is one of the smartest upgrades you can make.